Hello and welcome to Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of the society. I'm Anushka Tirampi, and ladies and gentlemen, today is a very special day for our news channel, as today is the third foundation day of Northeast Karbi Life. So ladies and gentlemen, on this special occasion, our channel have organized a discussion based on two topics, that is youth, the youth role in politics and also the social responsibility. So our channel have requested the youth leaders to be here and to share their insight and topic about it. So you will be seeing this in the coming episode. But for now, I would like to ask the leaders that how was your experience here, and what are the wishes that you want to give to our news channel as we have completed the third year of our news channel. So let's begin with Mr. Angtong Tikathar.
English can I talk, Mama? Okay. Okay, first of all, I would like to congratulate the Northeast Karbi Life on this very third foundation day. My best wishes to all the team. May this channel grow and then contribute for the greater Karbi Anglong and the greater Karbi society. And me being present here is a great opportunity for me to express my opinion. Not only the youths in Karbi Anglong, but as a whole, the entire youth of a Karbi society and their role in developing Karbi society, promoting a brotherhood among the Karbi society, and their responsibility in politics and then in society as well. I just want to appeal to the youth to spread love in society so that we can live peacefully in our district and in our societies. If we promote this, if we promote love in our society, this is a way of promoting tourism in our own district. So, being honest and being a lovable person, I think we can change the mindset of the people doing politics. I mean, working in political party also. So in this way, being honest and being expressive. I mean, as a youth, we need to express our opinion on government policies. This is our responsibility, because each and every step the government will bring forward different policies. So on that particular policies, it is our responsibility to express, to tell the people who don't understand for what purpose these policies are made. So it is our responsibility to tell them whether it will affect us in a good way or in a destructive way. So it is our responsibility to tell them, because we are educated, we are literated, we can avail more resources. So it is our responsibility. So being a youth, we are energetic, we have more time, we have more energy, we have more resources. So I think we are the first one to be responsible in our society. So this is my appeal to the youth. And then lastly, I once again congratulate all the team of NE Karbi Life. May this channel grow and prosper in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your insight and giving us best wishes, especially when you say that it is the utmost responsibility of the youths to spread love, because love is something that which we have in our heart, and it is our responsibility and duty to spread it to others. So ladies and gentlemen, up next, I have with me Mr. Moniram Teron. So sir, can you please give us your insight and tell something about our news channel which you love and which you like about? Can you please share?
Okay. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to NE Karbi Life for organizing this wonderful program that is third foundation day here at Diphu Club. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to NE Karbi Life, the CEO Chandra Singh Rongpi and his team for organizing this program, and also being a wonderful news channel of Karbi Anglong, showing the reality and the issues, the problems faced by the people of Karbi Anglong. So today, I would like to extend my gratitude to NE Karbi Life for organizing this talk show or panel discussion that is on youth in politics and social responsibility, which is I believe is a very important topic which the many mainstream media or many other regional news channels have been overlooked or ignored regarding the importance, regarding the significance of this topic. However, for taking this measure to organize this panel discussion is a wonderful initiative, and giving me an opportunity to share my opinions on politics as well as on social responsibility is for me is a great privilege, and I hope that people who have attended and who is going to watch this video would gain some insight, and with those insight those people who are listening or who are going to watch this video could use it, could implement it in their daily activities to transform our society, to bring inclusive change in our society, so that our youth could progress and move forward and contribute significantly in building our country, and as well as our own district. So I would like to thank Northeast Karbi Life for organizing this beautiful, wonderful program, and also inviting me to speak and share my opinions on the aforementioned topic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, as you have said that, the channel have organized such kind of discussion, but I believe that it is not the responsibility of the channel to organize, but also the responsibility of the youth leaders to take part in and to share their insight as well. So, sir, I would like to thank all three of you for coming here and for sharing your insight and topic, and I believe that it will really benefit, the life of the youths and ultimately the society and the country. So, sir, up next, I would like to move forward to Mr. Dhoniram. Podmoteran, my sincere apologies, sir. So, sir, I would like to ask you is that, sir, as you're here in this, in this platform, you're able to, share a lot of topics, not only about like the topics that what we are showcasing, like throwing light upon, highlight but you're able to show, talk about different topics, right? Because you're given the platform. So, what are the topics that you want to talk about if you're given the chance? And what is like one thing that you would like to say to our channel?
Firstly, I would like to thank the team of NE Karbi Life for giving us this opportunity and letting our views and opinion to share in a public forum. I hope NE Karbi Life will deliver transparent news in the days to come like before. And from today experience, I would like to I have gained some knowledge, as well as I would like to say that to those viewers that each and every one of you who are watching these videos, you would gain some knowledge, and kindly please implement it in your day-to-day life. So thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing insight. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have come to an end, and I would like to thank you very, very much. I would like to thank you so much because it's because of your support that we're able to celebrate the Third Foundation Day to keep on supporting us. Thank you, and may you all have a good time. As today we're celebrating the Third Foundation Day, we also have a lot of special guests who are present here with us, and as the discussion that we have taken place is about youth, the importance of youth. So definitely in the program there are most of outstanding youths who are present here. So here I have with me the former president of Assam University Diphu campus, Sir Habe Crow. So sir, like what are your thoughts that you want to say like about the responsibilities and duties of the youth in politics? And apart from that, like what would you like to say on the Third Foundation Day of Northeast Karbi Life?
First of all, I want to congratulate the whole team of Northeast Karbi Life for reaching its third Foundation Day today. So congratulations to you all, and we appreciate the work that this media is doing. We appreciate and thank you for your hard work and dedication, bringing the news which are important for the people to know. So the public has got to know about all the important informations and all the important happenings of our society through the media. So and I have been following Northeast Karbi Life from a very long time, and I have been seeing that Northeast Karbi Life is doing a splendid work in bringing the news to the people. So thank you for that. I appreciate your works a lot. And it has been a pleasure for me to be able to attend the program today. And I have been able to learn a lot from the panelists here today, which has discussed and talked a lot about youth in politics, about social responsibility and that sort of things. So yes, for politics to change, the people should change, or the people should change, the people in politics should change, or the mindset of the people at present should change. So yes, I think that is up to us to change that. It is up to us to clean the politics, to change the political culture at our society. So, and yes, about social responsibility, one of the panelists today here said that social responsibility, that your actions can influence a lot of people unaware of you, knowing that. So yes, let's all try to do the right things. Let's all try to influence the good things to the people around us. And yes, with that, I would like to conclude my words. Thank you for giving me the time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Yes, it's definitely true that our one action can influence a lot of people. So we need to be careful in what we do, and we should always carry that positive impact in our hearts so that people will learn something good for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, in today's event, we have a special guest with us, the chief guest of today's event, and also we have this special guest. So here in my right, I have Mr. Dharam Singh Tiron, Director for Centers for Karbi Studies. So sir, as you're here as a chief guest for the third foundation day of Northeast Karbi Life, how do you feel? And like, what are your expectations for the coming days? And like, what would you like to say to our channel?
Thank you for having me, and I congratulate the NE Karbi Life for having successfully observed its third Foundation Day today. And I have seen NE Karbi Life has actually caught up very fast in in a company of so many other such media portals, and it must go to the credit of Chonorongpi and all the team members of NE Karbi Life, which is a big achievement, and I will wish that it will lead the way. And also, because delivering news is a very important and very crucial kind of activity. And in a small place like Karbi Anglong, there are so many news channels, news portals, and I think it's a healthy kind of environment. And in order to shine, you must devote to the kind of news which you are known for. Be bold, be brave, and don't be kind of don't falter. Carry on, whatever may be the consequence, for the sake of what you proclaim. You have proclaimed that bold, brave, and uncompromising. So I think this is a challenge for a news portal like yours. So I congratulate them once again. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts. It is very, very true that when you open a news channel or when you work in a news channel, you need to be very bold and very brave, because you're showing something to the world that is happening in society, and you should not be biased, but instead you should be like very truthful, and you need to show the transparency to the society, to the people who are watching you, because most of the people are following you what you're broadcasting them in the TV or in the mobile phone. So, ladies and gentlemen, on my left, I have with me Mr. D.S. Lecter, advocate and our legal advisor. So, sir, pinindang nitum ningkan kitom kichok arani hud nang liku pisi karinja kangtung no la nitum a news channel apan as a legal advisor.
Churupilo aprangsi pini nanglatuma pangsua a news channel jasemet NE Karbi Life ningkan ke thom ke pleng mangso manget hek katalonarni ako anjitong long poningarong lo nilipen jasemet kipu gangtung la hello iletum kitchen la Karbi live set up channel ta Karbi pensi jase mete pangtang apa sih edum iltu marpudo la Karbi alam kaningje abang pachokpon lim nangje asela so pachokpon lim ji polong te la news anchor ke claim ben chinglok la news reporting live ke dam la pen ke talk show chihut chiput asai ke claim kadu ko visu tame la pachok lim ni pung te jasemet iltu market hek phanar judam nei ase nili chunri yang tu mang la hello dak staw tu mans tame pens dak hem phu pen chinglok lamet pudo iltum Karbi tum mesen lamet pudo la tum pen chihut chipur an social la bangso news channel la bangso kewang journey setame chok lim pen Karbi alam kaningje isi Karbi alam Charlie ji pote la so news lang lote ining theklong mate la henlo pu bang katu ko betang pa pulong te pu bang nili chunring intu athe isi channel la bang isi KRG jasemet Karbi alam pen proda Karbi alam ta than pon pe mining ji athe lamet RG dak du ko se la so lamet RG bangke pamesen ji pote jasemet ke lamet puto men ga ching ki than ko solam ko piu sik kaparu kapachu ponai malam the penang analam ke litum kaning je long pen bang kaprek lam pen ka kapangmui dupik lo la so kapangmui pen yong silitum etum chihut chiput pen kaprek along so tame semet en korong tame paju jai ke tong sarmong la le kaprek lo sta paju jai lo pungte la swarji bangke la ke ha kilang tum kwan makile la sonsi kaprek tum nang chali dun derji dang chali dun lo pulong te la bangke isia lamet isia ke alamet bang kunat ne kidam juya son dokok ji la se la so bang chire ponang ji puseni li chunni tung la pen churupik lo na tum nang ha po
Chorol sir, nang li nil tu pala halam ke tharam pot. Ili tum stamel ang se bori pon ekpo. Chorol.